Hello everyone, welcome to Midday's Powerful Women 2025.
I cannot gauge the industry sitting here as Mrs. CM because the whole attitude changes. And I'm really sorry when I say this that I had never voted till the age of 26, till I married Devenji. Whenever he has been in dilemmas during very peculiar or situations which are tricky, I've always given my peace of mind to him. And at times he has bought my thoughts, so I'm happy about it.
Who is a better politician, Narendra Modi or Devendra Fadnavis?
Oh God. Because a woman who earns and knows she can do for herself
Yes.
has a different level of confidence.
What's the last movie that you watched?
It was patriarchal, man-dominated. Devenji somehow liked my photo. His mom was apprehensive looking at my photo because it was a casual jhalla photo. The family was okay with me working, but I had this apprehension myself, an apprehension within myself that I cannot leave Divija and work for a 12-hour banking job. Divija started walking, her first step.
Yeah.
I was not in front of her. I was in office. She also gives me an idea that ये song तेरा troll होने वाला है. मुझे पहले से बोलती है. तू कर ले पर तू troll होने वाली है. Hi, my name is Amrita Fadnavis and you're watching me on Midday.
Hello everyone, welcome to Midday's Powerful Women 2025. We are commencing Season 3 with a multifaceted achiever. This is Ocean Fernandez and joining me today is none other than Miss Amrita Fadnavis. Hello ma'am, how are you?
Hi Ocean, how are you? I
I'm
am
glad.
great and nice to be here with you
Same here
on the
ma'am.
couch.
First of all, you look wonderful, I must
You
say.
too, you too.
You look fabulous as always.
Thank you.
And I want to commence by asking, you were recently at the Mahakumbh in Prayagraj. How was that experience?
It was divine. एक भक्ति का पूरा सागर ही वहाँ उमड़ आया था.
जी.
It was beautiful and the dip was as if I got a new life and a new body and I came out of it. That was the kind of feeling with which I went there, and so I could experience it also. I manifested that.
Wonderful, ma'am. Wonderful.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I want to tell our viewers that we are in your hometown. We are in Nagpur and you've spent most of your childhood here. I want to take you back to the time when you were just a little girl starting out there. And you come from a very progressive household, a family of doctors. And it is assumed, ऐसे माना जाता है कि डॉक्टर के बच्चे तो डॉक्टर ही बनेंगे. But what was it for you? आपका बचपन उस सेंटिमेंट के साथ कैसे आगे बढ़ा?
So as you said, my household was extremely progressive. My mother, my father, and even the grandparents who themselves were doctors during that time. But at the same time, they were very strict. They used to look into it that every day I followed a certain routine, a certain schedule, and I did not miss on it. And they were very particular on what I was doing daily. In fact, they invigilated me minute to minute, because of which I was mostly studying or I was doing my musical riyaz. और then if I had spare time, I used to be with family. और मेरे parents भी बहुत सारे ऐसे social endeavors करते थे, activities, doctors के camps लेते थे. So I used to join that also. So but I was always under their scanner. कि ये लड़की करती क्या है रोज. And because of that, thankfully, I could hone a lot of talents inside me because of regular practice.
Yes.
And I used to play tennis also. तो उसके लिए भी रोज का अलग टाइम पापा के साथ जाना नागपुर की धूप में.
Wow.
दोपहर के 3 से 5 I used to play tennis. And that time, if you would have seen my pictures or something, I was tanned because of the heat and all.
Absolutely.
But still, my father preferred mind over body. So he always said, you need to be sharp, you need to be strong. The body to kabhi bhi, it can be
Yes.
altered anytime or it changes.
Yeah.
But you need that internal, external strength,
Yes.
which matters.
So can we consider that tennis was your favorite game since childhood?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Yes. Coming to your school days, how would you describe yourself as a schoolgirl? Were you a first bencher or a backbencher? Were you mischievous? What are some memories that you have from school days?
I remember that I was a very sincere student. In my class, I used to either be first or second. I was
Wow.
among the studious ones, but I used to hang out with naughty ones. So I used to see both of the worlds. Definitely not backbencher. I must say Devin was a backbencher, a studious backbencher for his height.
Really?
And I was a studious front
Front
bencher.
bencher.
I just remember that I had very good time with my friends in school. जो भी स्कूल में बिताते थे, because outside I never had time because of my this other schedule and routines.
Yes.
So स्कूल में हम लोग मजाक मस्ती and gossip ये तब बहुत किया है और लड़ाइयाँ भी बहुत हुई है, and that made me best friends with so many of them.
Are you still
And
in
they are
touch with
still
them?
in touch with me.
Wow.
That childhood bonding is very pure
Yes.
and as pure as it can get. तो वो तो रहता ही है लाइफ भर.
You know, transitioning to college, because I believe you studied economics and banking, so you got into that sector eventually. But, you know, all of us go through that rebellious phase where we bunk lectures or we sneak out to go for a movie. Did you ever do anything like that?
I just remember one thing, that my parents being doctors, they wanted me to be a doctor, and I was among the studious ones also.
Yes.
But I never wanted to be a doctor for reasons that I had seen my parents log day and night, plus the peculiar odor in a nursing home.
Yes.
That was one of the reasons I never wanted to be a doctor. Although I wanted to work towards social
Yes.
causes and
Indeed.
towards people, but not being a doctor. Maybe I didn't have the patience to study that long also. So I remember once in my 11th standard, my mother gave me science, that I have to take science. And I took that subject, but later in 2 months, I left the subject and took commerce. So that really aggravated her anger. But finally, she succumbed to the thought that yes, she really doesn't want to go that way. She wants to find her own way. तो वो एक था, तो उसकी वजह से कॉमर्स जो था मुझे बहुत कंपैरेटिवली साइंस के कंपैरिजन में इट वाज easier.
Easier.
But although I didn't hang out much with friends, because again I had family decorum to follow, but sometimes I used to sneak out
Really?
and movies जाते थे. I remember एक आमिर खान की तब मूवी आई थी रंगीला. So वो रंगीला के time I had sneaked out and we had seen that movie, and that movie was ahead of its time
Yes.
that time. So we enjoyed it, but then later it was caught that we had mentioned some other reason and all. तो
Yes.
ऐसा छोटा मोटा तो होते रहता था, but net I was my parents' pet. So I
Yeah.
never tried to go into some other area and keep them in dark. So
Yes.
mostly they always knew what I was doing.
But what inclined you towards singing? Because that's like a craft you've honed all these years.
Yeah. Singing is like breathing for me, because since I remember that I have started living my life, I've remembered singing. Because my parents, my father is a very good singer. He's a classical singer, and he learned it from his mother. अपनी माँ से सीखे है वो. और मेरी दादी भी, although she was into medicine, but still she was a very good classical singer.
Wow.
So I learned my first notes from my father and my nani and my dadi. And later then there were some gurus from Nagpur, Arbedwar sir, Rajhans sir. They taught me further. And this journey of learning continues till now.
Yes.
But I must say that it has always been there. As I started living, I started singing.
And you've tapped into so many genres, so many languages.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a very bold step to go out of your comfort zone and do so many genres. And you know, you're loved and accepted by everyone. But don't you find it challenging when, say, a different language, a different genre altogether comes to you? How do you prepare yourself that, okay, I need to do this?
It's in fact very interesting, although it's challenging, to do different languages.
Yes.
And I want to cover all the languages of India at least. I look forward to a Bengali. I look forward to the South Indian, different South Indian languages. I wish I
Yes.
could cover all these also. As and when I'll get opportunity, I will definitely. So from
Definitely.
Sanskrit to Marathi to latest the Banjara song.
Yes.
I've covered quite a few languages, Punjabi.
Yes.
But quite a few are still undone.
And they are on
So
your
I'm
bucket
looking
list.
forward. What I do is I try to understand the meaning line wise.
Yes.
Then I look into the pronunciations
Yes.
with the lyricist, whoever is
Yes.
there. And then uske baad, the emotion comes out. Once you know what it is, then you can easily emote through your note.
Growing up, you must have had expectations because we're talking about powerful women. We have expectations about being with a certain someone, a significant other, a partner. If I may ask, how did you meet Sir, and how did you know that this is the person I want to spend my life with?
So I was always in Nagpur, based out in Nagpur,
Yes.
but I was politically very unaware.
Mm-hmm.
I did know who's a prime minister and the finance minister and these key positions, but I never knew who was the local MLA of my own city. And I'm really sorry when I say this that I had never voted till the age of 26, till I married Devenji. So post our marriage, he got the voting cards done for the whole family, and then we started voting.
Wow.
So politically, I hardly had any awareness, and how this came through was this proposal was Devenji's mom was searching for a girl for him, and so was my mom searching, and there was a common friend. She suggested that at least exchange photos and all. Devenji somehow liked my photo. His mom was apprehensive looking at my photo because it was a casual jhalla photo and it was not meant to be sent to a boy's family. But that was sent because I had never clicked that time. And Devin thought that maybe she was the right one. ये ऐसी थोड़ी झल्ली है और वो सोच के शायद he met me, and after which I was years for him completely. I came to know about his life and what he does and all. Subsequently, I told my parents that he looks like a very decent fellow and he seems like a person who respects women's freedom, because
Yes.
that was in my prime agenda when
Yes.
I met him, that whether I get my freedom later in our lives, because I had seen so many examples of few
Yes.
friends and others who really had to shut themselves off after marriage. तो वो मुझे नहीं चाहिए था कभी. I found that he was a person who believed in individual liberty, in individual growth, and respected that. So that attracted me towards him at the first instance. Then मेरे पेरेंट्स को मैंने बोला कि आप भी थोड़ा छानबीन करो, देख लो अपनी तरफ से. And they found him to be a very honest and transparent kind of politician during those times.
Yes.
Those times, that is 20 years back.
Yes.
और वहाँ तो politicians का first image क्या होता था,
Yes.
that corruption and
Yes.
other vices.
Yes.
So he has no vices. He is very honest, transparent. His agenda is nation first, and that showcased from that time itself when we met him, my family and I. So being from a professional family, these were points which attracted me, and so I decided that I'll take
Give
the
it a
gamble. And it paid off till now, at least.
Yes, indeed. I mean, both of you are an example of, a healthy marriage, the longevity, the 20 years that you put into this marriage. I mean, it's an inspiration to all of us. But ma'am, I want to know, when you married into the household, because you came from a progressive family, were there any changes that you had to adapt to? Because we see a lot of women have to give up on their careers, especially when they get married. But what was it for you, and what is the example that you want to set?
Beforehand, as I said, I got an idea that he was for women's freedom and liberty.
Yes.
So that basic point was very clear with me. So after marriage, I continued my job as usual, my music as usual.
Yes.
But post Divija was born, I must say that the family was okay with me working. But I had this apprehension within myself that I cannot leave Divija and work for a 12-hour banking job,
Yes.
which is very demanding. So I got confused and I was in dilemma whether I should continue this job or, because I wanted to be with my daughter.
Yes.
That point of time, Devin said that, see, Divija is just a few months old now. And after 5-6 years, she would start getting independent.
Yes.
After that, you shouldn't repent that just for these 5-6 years, you left your job
Yes.
and your intellect, because it gives a break to the intellect also.
Absolutely.
So he said, you continue, maybe you can take breaks,
Yes.
you can reduce your time sometimes, and be all together, not him, but your mother. He said, your mother, my mother, and with right domestic help, we can take care of her without you also being there full time.
Yes.
You can be with her with some quality time every day,
Yes.
with few hours with her, morning, evening. That should be enough. So I pondered on it, and then I thought, yeah, that's right, because life is long.
Yes.
For a short term decision, you cannot change the course of your life. Then somehow I managed कि मैं आते जाते रहती थी घर पे जल्दी, सुबह दिविजा के साथ रहना, रात शाम को जल्दी आके रात को उसके साथ रहना. I used to do that, but I did not leave my job that point of time, and it really helped me further to grow intellectually.
Yes.
So my job was my intellectual growth road. Like my music is towards the divinity,
Yes.
that has given me a lot of understanding of dealing with people, of financial
Yes.
markets, of how to manage finances. It has given me a lot of confidence, because a woman who earns and knows she can do for herself
Yes.
has a different level of confidence. So it remained intact that time. That's why it is intact now. If there was a break then, I would have been in a different zone of confidence. Maybe it would have been less.
Yes.
Maybe I would have been just a housewife then,
Yes.
which is also fine, because a housewife also works very hard.
Yes. Yes.
But what was within me
Yeah.
needs to be explored.
Yes.
I need to give justice to myself. And justice to myself was this path, is what later I realized.
That is wonderful, ma'am. I mean, you inspire so many women out there, because I'm sure a lot of them go through this dilemma, especially after motherhood. What I want to know is, did you ever feel a mother's guilt? Because it just comes in.
Absolutely. I still remember when Divija started walking, her first step.
Yeah.
I was not in front of her. I was in office. The nanny and Dadi, they sent to me the videos. I still have the video of her first foot taken forward, but I was not there. And I tell Divija also, I miss not being there that time. So these are moments which you miss. But when your daughter understands it, and when you feel that the bigger achievement was definitely going out and doing your work and your
Yes.
duty,
Yes.
then you adjust to that thought. But that one thing always remains in the mind. There are women who always tell me, हमने बच्चों के लिए छोड़ दिया हमारा काम,
Yes.
और आज बच्चे तो बड़े हो गए, वी आर फ्रस्ट्रेटेड, वी आर डिप्रेस्ड. ऐसे कितने women बोलते हैं, and they don't get an equivalent opening the way they had before. So that is a bigger frustration, in fact.
Yes.
So it's better to leave these small parts of joys for this bigger satisfaction, I feel.
Absolutely, ma'am. Ma'am, it takes good spouses to support each other's dreams. I'm sure the way Sir has supported your ambitions and dreams. In your perspective, how much have you played a role in his political rise? Because you've been with him since the start. And in your perspective, how far do you think he has come as a politician?
He's bloomed into a politician who is extremely intelligent, understanding political situations aptly, and he has a vision. So I've seen him bloom this way, but he had the basic nation first
Yes.
thought and mentality always since I know him. So I think so. I have been helpful in the sense that I never burdened him with a thought ki back home how would things happen
Yes.
if I am absent as a father, absent as a husband. When he became state president in 2013, towards the end, that time Divija was just hardly 3.5 years old, and we were here in Nagpur. My mother-in-law needed lots of help because of her health conditions. He knew he would be absent once he starts with this position, because it requires traveling across Maharashtra.
Yes.
That time I told him, you be rest assured, I will take full charge of the house. You will not get one complaint or requirement when you are at work. So that is what I could do. That I could free him of all internal family responsibilities, finances, to requirements by his own near and dear ones. Those I take care. daughter's requirements, mother-in-law's requirements. I see to it that any requirement doesn't reach him. So he's free for his Maharashtra, his nation. And that I think so is my contribution to him. And secondly, whenever he has been in dilemmas during very peculiar or situations which are tricky, I've always given my peace of mind to him. And at times he has bought my thoughts. So I'm happy about it.
Wonderful, ma'am. Ma'am, we have seen in households कि जैसे you are raising a daughter, but कहीं लोगों के घर में लड़के की डिमांड होती है कि लड़का पैदा होना चाहिए, लड़की का हमें लेगेसी आगे बढ़ाना है, वी वांट एन हेयर टू दिस हाउस, विरासत आगे बढ़ानी है. तो ऐसे लोगों का जो मानना है 2025 में भी, एंड यू आर रेजिंग अ डॉटर, तो व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट दैट?
I feel that a daughter is parents' pet. The way a daughter can love her parents, even a boy cannot equal that. I mean, her love is the most divine love any parent can get. So, and regarding the family का जो रहता है hierarchy or the family name which is to be taken forward, we are in modern times. Women are ambitious now.
Yes.
They know their minds, and if supported well by parents, they can be equivalent support to their parents like any other boy. पहले क्या होता था, लड़कियों को अट्यून ही ऐसे किया जाता था कि कल तेरी शादी होने वाली है, be ready this way to be adjusted to the new family.
Yes.
So the girl was automatically meant to be some other family's daughter,
Yes.
and the boy was a bigger support because he was attuned and trained to be a support to his parents.
Yes.
Nowadays, both children have their freedom and both children understand their responsibilities towards their parents and also towards their in-laws.
Yes.
It's a balance nowadays. So I don't think so. The thought process which was there earlier still is relevant because the upbringing of girls is changing.
Yes.
Every girl knows her mind today. She's independent. She loves her parents for supporting her, being behind her. कि बेटी जा, तू जो करना है कर, I am behind you. ये जो आज माँ बाप ने बेटी के लिए भी चालू किया है, इससे बेटी और माँ बाप के बॉन्ड्स और करीब आएंगे and they will be closer than never before.
जैसे कि हमने देखा है आप दिविजा के साथ भी वीडियोस डालते रहती हैं सोशल मीडिया पे, और अभी जैसे सोशल मीडिया पे जो माहौल चल रहा है वेयर यू नो वी डोंट वांट टू एक्सपोज आवर चिल्ड्रन टू सर्टेन एलिमेंट्स, एज अ मदर, एज अ पेरेंट, आपको क्या लगता है कि कहाँ पे हमको एक लाइन ड्रॉ करनी चाहिए कि हमारे बच्चे किस चीज़ से सोशल मीडिया पे एक्सपोज हों?
I think so. Social media is such a vast playground or such a vast world.
Yes.
And children with their half-cooked minds need to be invigilated definitely while being on social media,
Yes.
while being on internet. They should be aware what needs to be accessed, what
Yes.
not needs to be accessed, how much time in a day you need to access.
Yes.
And for that, parents also have to follow that.
Yes.
I see parents, they are constantly on their smartphones, internets, and they expect the children won't do that. So digital detox should be for both, should
Yes.
apply for both. You can choose a day or few hours of the day where you just don't touch your gadgets. And secondly, this awareness for children should come from the moral values which we give.
Yes,
There are such
absolutely.
bad sides which when accessed can actually spoil the minds of
Yes.
these young children.
Yes.
So a little bit of value education, what's right, what's not right for
Yes.
their age, from school and parents, from grandparents,
Yes.
that helps a lot. Believe me, these epics, you know, Ramayanas and Mahabharatas, Vedas, if the children just read them or even see good movies,
Yes.
they automatically imbibe these values within them. So
True.
we must let our children read good, see good, understand good, speak good, and that all can be done only with our support as family and as gurus.
सो मैम दिव्याज फाउंडेशन जो है, जो ऑलमोस्ट 10 years कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं उस फाउंडेशन के, एंड यू हैव बिन एट द फोर फ्रंट ऑफ इट इन हेल्पिंग वुमेन, महिलाओं की जो फाइनेंशियल लिटरेसी हो या फिर उनके लिए जो पॉलिसीज़ हैं जो गवर्नमेंट ने उनके लिए बना के रखे हैं, उनको उन तक पहुंचाना, ये जो आपने वो एक इनिशिएटिव लिया है उसके बारे में आप क्या बोलेंगे, और कहाँ पे आपको नज़र आता है कि कोई एक गैप है जो आपको या फिर हमें फुलफ़िल करना चाहिए टू मेक श्योर कि इन औरतों को वो पॉलिसीज या फिर वो जो स्कीम्स हैं वो समझ में आए?
मुझे लगता है कि सरकार ने बहुत ही खूबसूरत और बहुत ही उम्दा ऐसी स्कीम्स पॉलिसीज बनाई हुई है स्त्रियों के लिए, स्टेट और सेंट्रल लेवल पे, दोनों लेवल पे, जैसे माझी कन्या भाग्यश्री, लेक लाड़की, सुकन्या समृद्धि, उज्ज्वला, देन वी हैव विधवा पेंशन, सो मेनी अदर स्कीम्स. बट क्या होता है, ये वो स्त्रियों तक आज भी, काफ़ी रिमोट स्त्रियों तक जो दूर दराज रहती है, उन तक आज तक पहुंची नहीं है कईयों तक. तो इसके लिए कैसे एफर्ट्स होना चाहिए, एक जॉइंट एफर्ट अगर हो, शासन का अपनी तरफ से, वहाँ के लोकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स का अपनी तरफ से, एनजीओज का अपनी तरफ से, वो स्त्रियों तक अलग अलग योजनाएं जो उनके लिए बनी हैं, उनके जन्म होने से लेकर शादी होने तक और वृद्ध अवस्था के लिए भी जो सारी ये स्कीम्स बनी है, ये उन तक एक तो पहुंचाना कि ये आपको शासन दे रहा है, और दूसरी चीज़ उनको हैंड होल्ड करना कि वो फॉर्म भरने से लेके तो डॉक्यूमेंटेशंस उनके अपडेट होना चाहिए और वो अप्लाई होना चाहिए. इसमें अगर हम लोगों ने और अलग अलग तरीक़ों से उन तक पहुंचने के अलग अलग रास्ते बनाए तो बहुत फ़र्क पड़ेगा, क्योंकि जो है वो भी उनको मिलने से उनकी जीवन शैली में बहुत सुधार आएगा, ऐसा मुझे लगता है.
Ma'am, you're also a banker by profession. A lot of women are becoming financially independent by the day, but yet some of them are dependent on the man of the house when it comes to investing that same money. Like you earlier mentioned, sometimes you also advise sir with certain things that you are an expert of. If you have to share certain tips for women in terms of handling their money in a better way, what would it be?
Firstly, let me tell you, I've been visiting villages since years now.
Yes.
वहाँ पे क्या होता है, लेडीज कमाती है, गांव की लेडीज दे अर्न फॉर देमसेल्व्स, बट व्हाट दे डू इज दे कम होम, गिव द मनी टू देयर हस्बैंड्स बिकॉज ऑफ द कोएशन व्हिच एग्जिस्ट, और वो पैसा जाता है दारू में, और दारू के बाद मारपीट, और वो लेडी वैसी ही रह जाती है, काम करके आती है, घर पे काम करती है, हाथ में पैसा नहीं
जी.
सो हियर वी नीड अ लिटिल बिट ऑफ इंटरवेंशन फ्रॉम अथॉरिटीज अगेन, पर ये लेडी ने रिपोर्ट भी करना ज़रूरी है इस चीज़ के लिए. देन अदर थिंग इज कि व्हेन मनी कम्स इन हर हैंड, शी नीड्स टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट शी कैन डू विद इट. हमारे भारत की जो स्त्रियां हैं, दे हैव बीन इंटेलिजेंट सिंस एजेस, दे हैव ऑलवेज इन्वेस्टेड इन ऑर्नामेंट्स एंड गोल्ड.
True.
And you see how gold is top notching,
Yes.
soaring. So they know what is the right item to invest in.
Yes.
So, but now in modern times we need diversification.
Yes.
So gold is definitely an asset, silver is an asset, but other than that they should know a bit about the financial markets. तो आपके मेरे जैसी ladies तो we know private equity, we know venture capitals, we know shares listed and unlisted.
Yes.
There are many options for us. We even go for properties.
Yes.
But इनके लिए ये option उतनी नहीं होती है. But these ladies can start small by having their documentations in place, जो हम लोग करवाते हैं financial literacy. You need a basic PAN, you need an Aadhaar,
Yes.
and then you can start investing in Indian markets, wherein they can be index-based funds, they can be Nifty-based funds, or they can be large cap funds. Monthly आप कुछ नहीं, 500 रुपए डाल दो उसमें, and this kind of money grows many-fold over years.
Yes.
तो जो भी पैसा आप भूल सकते हैं आपकी बेटी के शादी तक या एजुकेशन तक, तो वो डालना ज़रूरी है once you have proper documentation in place.
Yes.
Then secondly, I must say that property. Nowadays, government has also given impetus for women who own property.
Yes.
तो जो स्त्रियाँ जो फाइनेंशियली एकदम इंडिपेंडेंट नहीं है, ब्लू कॉलर्ड है, उन्होंने भी प्रॉपर्टी अपने नाम पे बुक करनी चाहिए और लेके रखनी चाहिए. इंस्टॉलमेंट्स में भी आपको बिल्डर्स देते हैं, तो यू शुड मेक यूज ऑफ दैट बिकॉज government has given impetus on stamp duty on that also, and you get the right to your home.
Yes.
after that. तो एक एसेट immovable property आप ले लो, थोड़ा सा ज्वेलरी इन द प्योर फॉर्म ले लो, थोड़ा सा इंडियन मार्केट्स में इन्वेस्ट कर दो, थोड़ा सा एफडीज में इन्वेस्ट कर दो. दिस इज okay to start with. Then later on, when people like you who have larger disposable money, we can think of higher things like direct equity, private equity. There are so many other options then, structured products.
Yes.
So that comes for us. But to start with, these women also, if these are given these options, that's more than enough.
We have a lot to learn from you, ma'am. I think you're the right person to answer these questions because financial literacy is the need of the hour. It is. Ma'am, you have such cordial relations with the film industry as well. And हमने देखा है सलमान खान को इको गणेशा जो इवेंट था वो अटेंड किया, अमिताभ बच्चन जी ने आपके साथ फिर से का म्यूज़िक वीडियो किया है, तो इनके साथ आपका जो रैपो है ओवर द इयर्स वो कैसा रहा है, इफ़ यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर?
So in the industry, I access the industry for my own passion, which is music,
Yes.
for my videos or for my musicals.
Yes.
And जैसे अमित जी का तो मैं हर बार बोलती आई met him during the shoot of फिर से, and he was kind enough to accept to be my co-star for that
Yes.
song.
Yes.
But I found him so professional. As in जैसे एक shot हुआ उसके बाद he used to see the frame and see how the angling or everything looks. If that anything was incorrect in that, he used to redo. Just for a small song for him that time. So it was a very small song, but he looked into perfection. That's what makes him what he is. Similarly, this Salman Khan aapne bola, he's a very good-hearted person, ready for causes.
Yes.
Everyone I've met till now has, at the face of it, has been very good and in fact eager to do good things for the society.
Yes.
And in fact, I cannot gauge the industry sitting here as Mrs. CM because the whole attitude changes, frankly
Yes,
speaking,
yes.
of everyone.
Yes.
But I can still vouch that the people I have met have been very good and are very good at heart.
Every woman comes with some sort of labels, especially when they are married. Like you said, Mrs. CM or the First Lady or CM's wife. A lot of women get rid of their identities, their individuality after they get married. I'm sure you also face the same thing, especially when the public addresses you in a certain way with certain labels. How do you deal with that?
So it is but obvious कि मैं जब बॉम्बे आई, मुंबई आई, that time I was only Mrs. CM, known as the wife of the Chief Minister, BJP Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis. So I had lost my original identity
Yes.
of being a banker back in Nagpur. They respected me as a banker.
Yes.
They respected Devendra ji separately. But it was obvious that I had to lose that identity with Devendra rising the ladder to such an extent.
Yes.
I feel there's nothing bad in it. It is good. It opens new platforms. And with these new platforms, if you properly handle your position and make use of these platforms for yourself to an extent, but more for the society, then I think so you can develop an identity for yourself also. So it can be through, the source can be your husband, the source can be your father. Now for Divija, it will be even more difficult. Her parents are doing their own things, but
Yes.
for her to make her own identity, or for any child or parents who are working well, doing well, they have to struggle and find an identity for themselves, within themselves and within the society. तो ये एक struggle होता है. Everyone has to go through it.
Yes.
Some people have no backup, still they attain it. Some people, after having backup, to attain their identity, they have to work even harder.
Yes.
Because they already have an identity of someone. So it's a tongue-in-cheek kind of a game. But I think so it's only hard work in long run which matters. It's your intent which matters.
Yes.
It's what you want to give to others matters. And your own satisfaction matters.
Does Divija have an opinion about you or Sir? Like when you come home, does she have something to say about, Mama, I saw this about you, I read this about you. Why did you say this or why did you do this? Does she have an opinion?
I think so. She's a very sorted child. So when Devenji is home, she's updated about everything about him and me. But whenever he's home, she'll just ask कि तू थका तो नहीं है बाबा, you are okay, पानी लाओ. Then कुछ तो जोक मारेगी बाबा के सामने, कुछ अजीब सी एक्टिंग करेगी, कुछ अजीब से वीडियोस दिखाती है उसको उसके स्नैपचैट वाले. And she just likes to spend happy time with him because she knows that he's asked so many questions all the day,
Yes.
all around. So why should she be into the same mold? Maybe she feels that way. So she jokes around with him. Similarly, with me, she has too much to share about her school, her friends, about her confusions, her apprehensions, everything. So
Yes.
I'm like her soulmate. And I feel she's also my soulmate. I share everything with her. my feelings, my positivities, negativities, everything.
When you create a song, do you share with her? And and does she
Absolutely.
have opinions about
Yes,
it?
yes, she does. She also gives me an idea that ये song तेरा troll होने वाला है. मुझे पहले से ही
Really?
बोलती है. तू कर ले पर तू troll होने वाली है.
You know, we are still living in a day and age where women are being told what to wear, what not to wear, whether you wear a sari, whether you wear a suit. You being in a public platform, you're expected to look a certain way. How do you deal with that criticism?
I've always believed that I am today's woman
Yes,
and I represent today's women.
yes,
I always feel कि जो आप है, I should be the same way.
yes,
Even today, women from smaller cities, towns are very aspirational.
yes,
They are modern,
yes,
at the same time traditional, but modern also.
yes,
I represent them and I like to be that way. See, yeah, earlier days when there were CM wives, they followed a certain tradition of coming from their constituencies,
Yes.
maybe, and they used to be very comfortable in those. So that was meant for them, tailor made for them.
yes.
But if I follow the same thing, it would not remain me. They were them, so I also have to remain me, right? So this is me. And eventually, when you keep doing what you love doing, people also accept it. So I think so people have also accepted me as I am, and I'm
Yes.
happy about that.
Ma'am, we will end this with a fun game. It's called This or That. So you have to be very quick, very rapid. I'm going to ask you a couple of questions and you just have to pick the options. Calls or texts?
Calls. I'm bad at texts.
Eat whatever you want or follow a strict diet?
I follow a strict diet.
आपको वड़ा पाव खाना पसंद है या तरी पोहा?
अपना महाराष्ट्र का तरी पोहा. और यहाँ तुम नागपुर आए हो, यहाँ जरूर धर्मपेट में
हमने
खाइएगा.
आज सुबह ही खा लिया है.
अच्छा, lovely. You're ahead of time.
Watching a new movie or reading a new book?
Watching a new movie which is proven to be good.
Which was the last movie that you watched?
It was patriarchal, man dominated, but I watched that one only, Pushpa.
Dinner date at a fancy restaurant or quality time at home?
Dinner date I can't have with my husband, definitely. So, quality time at home.
When was the last time you all went on a date?
We never went on a date.
Really?
Yeah.
In 20 years?
In 20 years, we didn't go on a date alone, sitting somewhere.
Quiet.
We've never been.
Between you and Sir, who is the better cook?
I have learnt well and I have not practiced it well post marriage. So I'm better.
If you had to pick one profession for the rest of your life between singer and banker, what would it be?
Ooh, that's a tough one. Dil ya dimag. I'll be a singer. That's my heart, where my heart goes.
Like you said, you breathe.
Yeah.
Who is a better actor, Salman Khan or Amitabh Bachchan?
Oh God. That's tough one.
I know it is.
Both are in different generations.
Okay.
Amit ji is legendary and Salman Khan is a rock star.
We will take that for an answer. Indian outfits or Western?
Indo-Western.
Okay, that's a very smart answer. Do a new movie or sing a new song?
Sing a new song which I can enact in.
We're getting good at this. Okay, final question. Who is the better politician, Narendra Modi or Devendra Fadnavis?
I think so. First of all, they both are not politicians. They are social sevaks. Sevaks for the society. And in terms of better, who's better, there can be never a comparison between Guru and Shishya. Devendra ji follows Modi ji's footsteps.
Wonderful, ma'am. On a final note, can we have you say 2 lines in a message form of a Women's Day?
I would just tell every girl and every woman, believe in yourself and your voice. Howsoever small you feel your voice is, still it matters. And it will convert into a tornado one day if you believe in yourself.
Wonderful. Thank you so much, ma'am. It was lovely having you.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.